Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make homemade ginger and garlic paste. This is one recipe that makes life very easy in the kitchen. Most dishes or delicacies all over the world requires ginger and garlic paste because of their aroma or taste. Do you want to know how I came up with this beautiful result you are seeing on my countertop? Then sit back. Let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for the homemade ginger and garlic paste are garlic, ginger, vegetable oil, turmeric powder. You can as well use turmeric roots. There is no problem about that. Salt and lemon cube. I have a video of how I made this lemon cube. Please check the link out in the description box or the pinned comment. I will be explaining the need of adding these recipes as we proceed, so keep watching. Now let's peel the ginger and garlic. You can use your kitchen knife, potato peeler, or even spoon, but the one that goes easily for me is spoon and kitchen knife. One important thing you have to know when making your ginger and garlic paste is that your ginger have to be smaller in quantity because of its stronger flavor. Let's say, for instance, if your garlic is 3 cups, let the ginger be 1 cup. If it passes 1 or 1 cup and a half to mix with the 3 cups of garlic, the taste or flavor will overshadow that of garlic. Hope that explanation is very clear. After peeling the ginger, I wash it off the camera to save time, after which I will as well start peeling the garlic. It is very important to know that garlic supports bone health and reduce the risk of heart attack. It is very good we add it to our daily cooking if we are not allergic to it. Have you liked this video yet? Please, if no, hit the like button to support and encourage us, and as well keep watching. After peeling, cut them in chunks to suit your blender. While your blender can crush them as big as they are, there is no problem about that. Keep watching to see the outcome. This is all I've got. Let's move to the next section. Next is to blend them together. You can as well decide to blend them separately and mix them up later. There is no problem about that. And on this stage, I will be using a slice of lemon cube, turmeric, salt, and vegetable oil. They are going to serve as a preservative in the recipe. I have a video on how I prepare this lemon cube, even the turmeric powder. Please do check them out either in the description box or pinned comment. Alright, just watch my hands to see how I added or mixed all the recipes together to achieve the beautiful ginger and garlic paste you saw at my intro. Alright, keep watching. Yeah, this is how smooth the texture of the ginger and garlic paste is supposed to look after blending. The color is so inviting. Can you see how the turmeric enhances the color? I love this, to be frank with you. Save yourself some stress today by making this ginger and garlic paste. I tell you, you won't regret it. Since we are done blending it, the next thing we will do is to transfer the ginger and garlic paste in our ice cube tray, just like so, and store in a refrigerator until frozen. It is important to make our own homemade ginger and garlic paste to be sure of what we are eating, and it is very easy to make, as you saw on the video. There are absolutely no harmful preservative added, as you saw. It is cheaper as well than buying it in the shop. It is more fresh and aromatic, and it lasts longer than store-bought. Have you liked this video? If no, please hit the like button to encourage us. Alright? As you can see, I am removing the frozen ginger and garlic paste carefully from the ice cube tray, after which I will transfer to the ziplock and store back in the refrigerator and use anytime, any day. You can as well fill in an airtight container and store in the fridge, please not freezer, for at least 1 year. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel with a notification bell for more interesting videos. This is all we have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.